All right, third graders, let's go ahead and review our spelling pattern for the week. So let's take a look at our spelling cards. The first card, we see that our pattern of vowel, consonant, vowel, with one single vowel in the middle. In the word lemon, we know that when we divide it after the consonant, this becomes short. Le, lem, on. So that is short, and then when we go to the next one, when it's divided after the first vowel, then it's long. So tiger. All right, let's practice our spelling words for today by pushing up our sounds. Make sure you have your grid paper and whatever you're going to push up the sounds. Our first word is rapid. What's the word? Rapid. So I'm going to start by pushing up my sounds. A, p, I, d. Rapid. There are 5 sounds in rapid. Now I'm going to bring down What letter makes R? A. What letter makes A? A. P. What letter makes P? I. What letter makes I? And D. What letter makes D? Now let's look at our pattern. We have vowel, consonant, vowel. And because I say rapid, it is after that consonant. Rap-id. That way it is a short vowel. So when I write it, rap-id, and I write it in cursive, he went into the rapid water. Rapid, fast moving. Okay, let's do our next word. Female. What's the word? Female. Let's start by pushing up my sounds. F, E, M, A, ol. Female. There are 5 sounds in female. I'm going to bring down my sounds. F. What letter makes F? E. What letter makes E? E, because it says its name. What letter? M. A. What letter? A. It says its name. And ol. But because this one, the A says its name, then I also have this E over here. So that's that vowel, consonant, E pattern. So this one has 2 patterns going on. All right, so let's check. So we have vowel, consonant, vowel. And because I say E, it's going to go before the consonant. Male, female. So F, E, M, A, O. Remember that E goes with that A to make that long vowel right there. Here's cursive. Female. She is female. All right, now our last word, lemon. What's the word? Lemon. Start by pushing up my sounds. O, E, M, A, N. Lemon. There are 5 sounds. I'm going to bring them down. Ol. What letter makes ol? L. E. What letter makes E? M. What letter makes M? What letter makes O. And N. What letter makes N? So there I have lemon. Vowel, consonant, vowel. And because I have a short vowel, it goes after that consonant of M. Lem-on. Otherwise it would be lemon. So then I write it O, E, M, A, N. Again, I divided after the M, and here's cursive. Lemon. Lemon. He had a lemon in his drink. Nice job today, third graders.